Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sake to jagaimo no gratin. It's salmon and potato gratin. I'm going to show you very easy and fail-free way to make white sauce, so don't miss that part. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this sake to jagaimo no gratin, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 salmon fillet, 4 potato, 1 onion, 400 ml of milk, shredded mozzarella as much as you like, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 40 grams of butter, some salt, and 1 tablespoon of beef or chicken consomme. Let's start with salmon. Sprinkle some salt on both sides and just let it sit for 10 minutes. Potatoes. Remove the eyes if there is any. Then cut them into chunks. Oh, by the way, I'm using them with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Put them in a bowl that you can microwave. About a tablespoon of water. You don't have to measure it, just eyeball it. Cover it in microwave until it's nice and soft. I did about 10 minutes at 600 watts, and the toothpick can easily go through. Onion. Let's cut it into half. Peel the skin. Cut the bottom off. Then into thin slices. Back to the salmon. It's sweating because of the salt, so let's dry them using kitchen paper. I'm going to use them with the skin off. into bite-sized pieces. Now, all the ingredients are ready, so I'm sauteing the salmon with a little bit of vegetable oil. The heat is medium. Once it's well cooked, take them out. Into the same frying pan, butter, and sliced onion. Cook until the onion is nice and soft. Try not to burn them. Once the onion is well cooked, turn the heat off. And prepare a jar like this, anything that you can seal well. Put flour, milk, seal it tight, and shake. Then add it to the frying pan. Give it a stir. Turn the heat back on. And cook until it's thickened. Once it's nicely thickened, beef or chicken consomme, some salt to your taste, give it a mix. Potato and salmon back in. Gently stir. Then turn the heat off. Let's put it in the ovenware. shredded mozzarella, then into the oven, 250 degrees Celsius. Grilled for 20 minutes and it's done. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. Fluffy potato and creamy white sauce. It can't be bad. And the flavor of salmon makes it even yummier. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. The gratin is not rice, but it contains a lot of potatoes, so let's put it here, and it also covers the main. I want to add a little more protein to the meal, so let's have tamago to corn no soup here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about ninjin no okaka kimpira for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.